Let's take a look at our car color combination data. We have 200 cars that have been ordered from our dealership in one of 4 exterior colors: white, silver, red or blue. You'll see these repeated down here. And one of 3 interior colors: cream, grey or black. Over on the right here you'll see how many of each combination were ordered. 11 cars were ordered in the combination white exterior, cream interior. All the way down to here we've got 15 cars were ordered with a blue exterior and black interior. Now we're going to explore this data using some charts. We've got a really powerful tool to do this in Excel called Pivot Charts. And to get to that, I'm going to go to the Insert tab up the top here, move along to Pivot Charts. I'm going to highlight my data, then click on Pivot Chart. That's going to populate this range with the range of our data. And then click OK to start a new pivot chart on a new worksheet. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here. Down on the right, we've got different places that we can place our variables. What I want to do here is to add our 2 categorical variables, exterior and interior, down here as axis categories, and put count in as values. Let me put count in as values first. And then let's start with just having exterior in as a category. As we do that, we're going to create this nice little bar chart that of course you could decorate any way you want, as the last video showed you. Over on the left we've got our summary table. 50 cars were ordered with a blue exterior, 45 with a red exterior, and so on. And we've got our chart of this in the middle of the screen. Let's suppose we get rid of exterior, drag that out, and drag interior in. Now we're going to see a summary by interior colors. 98 cars were ordered with a black interior, summing across all of the exterior colors. And then that's tabulated and shown in this chart here. Now the thing that these pivot charts are really nice for is when we've got 2 or more categories that we can include on the graph. So let me go ahead and put exterior in first, interior in second. I'll show you what the effect of this is in just a second. And we've created this 12 category bar chart here, where we've got blue in exterior with a black interior. We've got 15 of those, a height of 15 of course on the bar. Blue exterior, cream interior, 18 of those, and so on. Now you'll notice that our primary categories here are these exterior colors. So blue, red, silver, and white are listed first as we look on the chart. These are listed as our primaries, and then our secondary category, black, cream, grey, our interior colors are listed for each exterior color. This is really nice in that it lets us see the distribution of interior colors across each of the exterior colors. So if we looked at our blue exteriors here, it looks like pretty similar numbers of each of the interiors were ordered of black, cream and grey. For red, again pretty similar. Black, cream and grey each had around 15 interior colours ordered. But if we look over at silver and white, that's just not the case. Now many more of the silver cars were ordered with a black interior. Similarly, many more of the white cars were ordered with a black interior than the other interior colours, cream and grey. Okay, so what happens if we choose interior colour as our primary? Well, if we click on interior down here and click move up, it's going to switch interior to be our primary colour. Exterior is now our secondary, our primary category rather. Exterior is now our secondary. And down here, these bars are sorted by interior color first, and then secondarily by exterior color. Now we see the same sort of change in distribution of the exterior colors now within each interior color. Within the interior colors black, silver, and white are relatively commonly ordered. Within the interior color cream, silver is relatively infrequently ordered, blue is relatively frequently ordered, and within the interior colored grey, it looks like white's ordered a little bit less, blue is ordered a little bit more. So these pivot charts are a nice way not just to display the data and get some nice graphs, some nice bar charts really quickly, but a really nice way to start exploring the distribution of frequencies within each of these categories.